Hi there, it's me again, Lavanya. We are going to continue our discussion on Unmai Vilakkam, and I'm here with the next song, which is verse number 13. And as discussed yesterday itself, you need to consider listening to the four audios together, verse number 9, 10, 11 and 12 together, sorry about that, 10, 11, 12 and 13 together in order to get a holistic meaning. As we already know, we are considering it all the verses in an organic manner, but in order to get a holistic meaning, we need to consider it together. So, today's verse, which is verse number 13, நன்றாக நீர் இடமா நா இரதம் தான் அறியும் பொன்றா மணம் மூக்கு பூ இடமா நின்று அறியும் என்று ஓதும் அன்றே இறை ஆகமம் இதனை வென்றார் சென்றார் இன்ப வீடு. In this particular song, Guru is advising how does an aspirant reach or attain self-realization. So, when you talk about self-realization, there are 5 elements that we need to overcome, as we have already been talking about. If you remember verse number 12, we were talking about 3 elements. So, the first one is Akash, which is space, and space is very important for us to hear, and ears can get the sound waves and interpret it only with the help of space. The next one was our skin. With the help of air, skin can perceive or skin can understand and interpret and perceive the touch feeling. The third one we saw was fire element. Fire element is very important for eyes to realize the picture or something that it is able to see, visual effect. Now, today we are going to talk about 2 more elements, which is water and earth. Water is important for us to, for the tongue to realize the taste. For a tongue to understand, realize and enjoy the taste, it needs water element. That's why when you see, when the tongue is dried up, we will not be able to feel any taste. Those of them who are going for chemotherapy, their tongue will get dried up, and if you ask them, they cannot make out whether it is a sweet or a sour taste, because the water, it's because of the saliva is not there, and the saliva is the most important one. The watery feeling is very important for the tongue to understand the taste. The next one is earth element. Earth is important for nose to understand the smell. So, if we have to smell something, the main bhuta related to that is earth. Now, who gave all these information? The 5 elements, and what are the inner organs, what are the outer organs? So, who gave this, or rather where did we get this text from? And Guru is clarifying that all these are given to us by agamas, and the agama is the one that God Shiva directly gave it for people, because he is the one who knows who needs to reach or attain realization. These verses will not be available with everyone and anyone. In another way to look at it is only those of them who wants to achieve or attain the path of realization, they will even look at these verses. So, now if you look at it, the agamas are given by Lord Shiva, and in that it says, if someone is able to overcome the urge for these 5 senses, inner organs, outer organs, and at the same time we call it as the tat matirai, which is basically the inner crux of it, the bhutas. The moment we are able to overcome all those, we will surely be able to attain realization. That is what song number 13 or verse number 13 is demonstrating for us. I'll come back again with the next verse. Until then, bye bye.